This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I have ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer-stained and tear-stained. Was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the oceans I cried are made of steel, just like but when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I'm letting go now. I just see a ghost town when sometimes at red lights with closed eyes I tell myself, I dare myself to go on just saying somebody loved me once, somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I loved you. It was right there in June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain. Yeah, it took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But in the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was. And I sigh when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. Just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes I tell myself, in fact I dare myself to go on just saying somebody loved me once, someday somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. And though we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right there, early June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain. I watched him walk away. I've dabbled in love since, maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down, and knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded that though I've let him go now, right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved